Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Well, we had some rain early this morning in the Rogue Valley, but it's been rather gray skies through most of the day. A live look at Ashland right now, cloudy conditions. We have had some breaks of sunshine though, but temperatures are still quite on the cool side, only in the lower to mid 50s. In our west side valleys of southern Oregon, 53 in Selma, it's 55 in Medford, 52 degrees in Ashland, and along the coast we're sitting at 59 in Brookings. Down in Siskiyou County, most spots, well, basically everybody in the 50s. 55 right now in Happy Camp, it's 57 in Weed as well as Montague, and 53 in Doris. And then for you folks east of the Cascades, we're seeing temperatures in the 40s and 50s right now. 43 chilly up in Chemult, it's 52 in Paisley, and 53 degrees right now in Klamath Falls. Now, satellite radar showing quite a bit of cloud cover out there throughout southern Oregon and northern California. There are some breaks of sunshine though in Siskiyou County and then over on the east side, especially as you get to Lakeview. But the wet weather still well off to the west. This is the next storm system that's going to be our big weather maker through the middle of the week. We do expect rain to become fairly widespread by later tomorrow into tomorrow night. And then the brunt of this area of low pressure will mainly kind of hang out and impact California further to our south. But we will see at least some lingering shower activity even on into Wednesday. But then after that, it looks like we'll be pretty dry through the rest of the work week. Tonight, in the meantime, we do stay mainly dry, mostly cloudy skies. 41 for Medford, down to 30 tonight in Klamath Falls, 39 in Mount Shasta. So it will be a pretty chilly start to tomorrow on your Tuesday. A lot of clouds and eventually showers becoming fairly widespread as we move into the afternoon. We will see some snow up in our higher elevations. Notice those temperatures fairly comparable to today. Snow levels will hang out right around 7,000 feet with this storm system. So nothing too terribly low, not worried about any snow impacting past travel, but up at Crater Lake, we will get at least a little bit of snow from this system. Stormcast looking like this in the morning hours, heading off to work and school. Most of the area looking pretty dry, but then notice the shower activity starting to work in by late morning into midday, especially in Siskiyou County and by the coast, and then pretty widespread wet weather as we head through your Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening. Snow impacting places like Crater Lake, but that's about it. Most of this is going to fall in the form of rain, and then as we move on into Wednesday, we'll just have some lingering shower activity in southern Oregon and northern California. Not going to be a washout by any means on Wednesday. And then the main low pressure system kind of drifts to the south a little bit, and we look to be fairly quiet for Thursday and Friday. Rainfall amounts, this is basically from tomorrow through Wednesday morning. The amounts will vary, but most of the region seeing anywhere between 1/10 to 1/2 inch of rainfall. Lesser amounts over on the east side. So all in all, amounts will stay fairly light. Most of us, the vast majority of us, will likely see less than 1/4 inch of rain along and west of the Cascades. So nothing too terribly heavy expected. But then as we go towards Thursday, notice the Rogue Valley looking dry on Thursday. We'll likely start off with some foggy conditions Thursday morning, and then the coast, brighter skies by Thursday, mild as well with highs in the 60s. And then notice the next round of wet weather looks to move in for this weekend. Your 7-day forecast for the coast looking like this. Rain likely tomorrow, showers lingering into Wednesday with some brighter skies on tap for Thursday. Northern California will get some shower activity to work through tomorrow into tomorrow night. The chance for some showers on Wednesday with some breezy winds. Those winds will also pick up on the east side for Wednesday, and then dry weather expected for your Thursday and Friday. Up in the mountains, rain and snow showers, but again, snow levels staying fairly high. Most of the snow above 7,000 feet, and then we'll get some more wet weather this upcoming weekend. In the Rogue Valley, more showers likely tomorrow. Have that umbrella handy, especially through the afternoon. Some lingering shower chances on Wednesday, not a washout, but then looks like we'll get a little bit of a longer break in the action with dry weather expected both Thursday and even on in to your Friday.
All right, Matt, appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.